in Egypt and Ethiopia. As you know, they've been fighting over the dam. Ethiopia built a dam with United States money, largely. It's one of the largest dams in the world, and it has one little problem. It doesn't allow much water going into the Nile River. So you can imagine Egypt's not thrilled because they live off the Nile River. The Nile River, it's blood, it's heart, it's everything. And we think we have that one pretty well taken care of. But that was a pretty bad thing. I was watching this as it was going up. I get pictures and satellites and everything, and I'm looking at this massive dam, and I'm saying, is that going to be blocking the water to the Nile? And anyway, that should have never sort of happened the way it happened. But financed by the United States of America, the whole thing is a little crazy, but we got that solved. I think that's going to be solved pretty long term.